So most businesses don't have a lead problem, they have a follow-up problem, they have a time problem, and they also have a conversion problem. And right now, AI automation is solving all three at once. See, the companies winning in 2025 aren't the one with the biggest teams, they're actually the one with the smartest systems. Right? So in this video, what we're going to dive into, we're going to break down the 5 high-value AI system businesses are deploying right now. Number one is going to be human in the loop automation. This is efficiency with safety. Lead generation and enrichment, prospecting that never sleeps, AI voice system, so this is 24/7 inbound and outbound calls. Number four is a sales pipeline automation, zero leads slipping through the cracks. And then number five is sales call analyzer. So this is instant feedback, coaching, and close rate boost. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which of these systems can plug straight into your business and start moving revenue this week. Let's jump in. All right, so let's jump in, you guys. So this is the Mega AI sales system. So as you can see, we've got a very tailored system for AI arbitrage and client acquisition. The first couple of things that we want to dive into is the C-suite automation and outreach system. Now, what this particularly does is scrapes LinkedIn for CEOs mentioning inefficiency, right? Or any other keyword that you want to track. We recommend inefficiencies in certain problems that you solve specifically. Uses AI to assess the current tech stack, generates a personalized video pitch for each lead, auto books meetings on your calendar, and achieves a 34% deal close rate. Now, the process is simple, right? We're going to do lead sourcing. So we're going to search LinkedIn for CEOs with posts or comments containing the keyword inefficient. The tech stack analysis, we're going to run AI evaluation of the lead's existing tools and workflows. We're going to pitch creation. We're going to generate a customized video proposal addressing their pain points, and then meeting automation, right? We're going to send the pitch with an embedded booking link, automatically adds confirmed calls to your calendar. And then for the deal conversion side, we're going to track responses, closes deals at a high conversion rate. Why this works, right? We're going to target high intent trigger words that signals urgent business needs, delivers a hyper-personalized offer in minutes, not days, and removes manual prospecting, follow-up, and scheduling. And we're also going to convert at rates most outbound teams can't match. Now, first thing we're going to look at is the C-suite automation outreach system. So a couple of setup requirements. We're going to need LinkedIn AirTop credentials. If you have Clearbit APIs, Hunter.io, Apollo, Zoom Info APIs, HeyGen, SendGrid, Calendly APIs, Airtable, HubSpot credentials. Configuration setups or steps. We're going to have the LinkedIn scraper. We're going to have the data enrichment, AI analysis, video generation, CRM integration, and compliance. Right? So expected results, we can expect 50 to 100 qualified C-suite leads per day, 15 to 25% email open rates, 5 to 8% video engagement rates, and 2 to 5% meeting booking conversions. Now, first things first is the advanced LinkedIn targeting. Right? This is the first step. We're going to scrape the LinkedIn C-suite pain post. We're going to prep data for enrichment, and then multi-source intelligent gathering. Right? So we just move to the side. Now, depending on if you have Clearbit, we're going to get that company details, look up relevant case studies, Zoom info, competitors and news, Apollo funding intent, also Hunter emails and tech stack, and calculate ROI format case studies. It's going to go into intelligent lead qualification. So it's going to score based on 1 through 10 on pain severity, urgency express problem, budget authority, timeline indicators, company readiness, AI analysis output. So we're going to be able to identify the 3 pain points, the urgency score, the budget signals detected, authority level confirmed, and then we're going to lead route. So right, hot, warm, and cold. So immediate premium sequence, value add, nurture sequence, and then educational content sequence. So AI is going to identify top pain and score it. And then from there, move over into the AI agent multivariate generation. So this is personalized variants. Use case focus, industry trend, ROI focus, HeyGen integration, which is a 60-second max video length, dynamic name, company insertion, professional avatar selection, and branded template consistency. Now, as we move down into this a little bit more, You can see we move after that, we move into an omni-channel outreach symphony, right? So the sequence timeline is day one is going to send a LinkedIn connection request. Day two is a personalized email with the video. Day four is a LinkedIn message if connected. Day seven is a value add follow-up email, and day 10 is a case study and ROI calculator. Day 14 is a breakup or re-engagement. Channel strategy, we're going to use email, LinkedIn, video, and content. Engagement tracking, we're going to be tracking open clicks, video view completion, LinkedIn profile visits, and response sentiment analysis. From there, we're going to route everything, the scores, into a performance intelligence dashboard, which we're going to be using Airtable. And if you have HubSpot, we'll also be using HubSpot. So it's going to be lead source quality scores, channel performance, email versus LinkedIn, variant testing results, A, B, and C, time to response analytic, conversion funnel analysis, and then, of course, the CRM integrations, Calendly, HubSpot, or Airtable. And then optimization signals, right? So best performing message variants, optimal outreach timing, industry specific response pattern, and video engagement heat maps. Also automated reporting, weekly performance summaries, ROI calculations per channel, and lead quality trends analysis. Now, after that, we're going to move into human in the loop, right? So human in the loop automation is where we're going to automate business operations with a human safety net. So this is going to automate your replies over email, text, chat, follow-ups, or even internal approvals, but route edge cases or uncertain responses to a human for review. Operations with a safety net, right? So first is going to be the CRM reactivation workflow. This agent specifically is going to be watching out for people in the CRM who have not booked a call with you in the past 60 days and be able to follow up with them, using email. So let's move over. From there, it's going to split out. It's going to send a Slack message to your Slack channel in order for you to approve if the message is something that you like or not, and then send it out for you. If it is approved, it'll send an email. If disapproved, it will make revisions based on your feedback, and then once it is approved, it'll send an email. The other section of human in the loop is the email customer support. So same process, but we actually need to leverage a knowledge base of company information to create a response, right? So as AI agent is pulling to be able to trigger based on any emails or Gmails that are coming in, we have to give it, data on your business specifically, so that way it can pull. From there, it's the same sentiment. It drafts a reply, sends it to your Slack channel for approval, and then you're able to approve, disapprove, or make any reiterations to that. Last but not least, well, that's not last but not least. So what we need for this particular workflow is we're going to do an Applify. Eventually, you want to go to Pro version. We also need Instantly, Apollo Trial, and then OpenAI, or Perplexity API, and then Million Verifier. So what this is going to do is it's going to scrape leads from Apollo using Applify. It's going to look for companies with scraping their websites, their emails. We're going to verify the emails. We're going to append it into a sheet, and then we're going to research the prospect further. And once it researches the prospect, it's going to add the lead to Instantly for automatic email sending, right? So it's going to personalize your email, then it's going to automatically add it to Instantly, verify it, make sure it's all good, and send that out. Now, once we have all of that going on, we're going to run into the, the AI caller, right? So we're going to need a few things for the AI caller. There's a few things that will trigger this, a webhook, on-form submission, or Google Sheets. It's going to wait 5 minutes. It's going to route into VAPI, which you'll be using for your AI caller. It'll wait, edit some fields, and let you know if the lead has declined the call or did not answer. It's going to wait 30 minutes, of course. Open AI chat model, update, go high level opportunities. It's going to route it into a Supabase, which is a data storage. It's going to code it, create a user, edit fields, create conversations, store the transcript, update stage 2 if they have answered. Same process, right? Going to update everything into GHL, analyze section needed, feedback agent, Supabase, and then it's going to store login into Supabase, which is the contact, email, phone, VAPI transcript, stage probability, and our book call. And then as we move into the phase of the AI caller, now we have the sales pipeline automation. So this is a triggered workflow on endpoint activation, which is an AI lead score, right? Returns a lead score with reasoning based on provided lead data. So this must be updated. Simple prompt scores this lead from 1 to 100 based on the following criteria: company size, budget, decision-making authority, timeline, and fit with the product that you, or service that you have. It's going to also, again, score, creates a deal with lead data, must be updated to sales CRM of choice, adds a lead score property on your sales CRM to this step, referring to the previous steps. Schedule reminder, right? Creates a 30-minute event reminder to follow up with the lead 24 hours from initial trigger execution. It must be updated. Add Google credentials, and then it's going to send a priority email. Email subject line, you can change any of these, customize it to your business, and then standard email. Now, once you have the sales pipeline, one thing we also want to help with is the analyzer. So this is the sales call analyzer. This workflow automatically analyzes calls from 2 sources. These can be manually form submissions or Zoom recordings. So how this works is that 2 analysis paths. We have a form submission, manual transcript uploads, or Zoom recordings, which are automatic transcriptions. Both create detailed analysis with scores, strengths, weaknesses, and actionable insights saved to a Google Sheet. So you're just going to configure your Zoom webhook or just a form setup guide. It is actually going to revalidate for webhooks minimum call duration check, set minimum call duration. If true, it's going to set it into deepgram setup to transcript. It's going to transcribe the call. It's going to route it over. It uses AI to analyze the call recording, summarizes the call, adds note structures, and formats the analysis. And then Google Sheets integration. So we're going to connect the Google Sheet to it, understands your reports. It's going to, 2 sheets are going to create it. Data sheet, which is metrics and scores with summary links, and then summary sheets, which is the detailed analysis scores, 6 categories: call control, discovery, belief shifting, objections, pitching, and closing, right? So throughout this whole process, we've kind of developed what we call the Mega AI sales system. It encompasses everything from lead generation, personalization, enrichment, follow-up, multi-sequence messaging, outreach, from email, SMS, voice, call, and then also analyzing scoring and qualifying the leads coming in, and then also helping on the sales side of things, which is analyzing and giving you that feedback on each prospect that comes in. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to make this short and simple and to the point, so you can kind of see where you could possibly be using this. If you like this video, just share it to someone. Comment below. Let me know if this is something that you would find helpful. And stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.